Okay, this is amazing. Today, on the 18th of June 2023, we have Vesijärvenkatu 5 to 7. And this is the staircase B. I filmed the staircase A and C here before.
Yeah, I have filmed all now.
No, I mean, no, I didn't film C.
Yes,
But
A and D.
A and D, and this is a B.
Yeah.
So I need to film the staircases C and D.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. I'll hopefully get into them as soon as possible. It was built in 1986. This is the full one. They're 35 years old in 2021. And this is actually from the turf year 1986-87.
Yeah.
Staircase and D is built in 1987.
Mm.
So this is late 1986. And the symbol says 64031. It's going to be inspected next year, 2024. Make best these 4 birds after 85 years. It deserves to right here. This is here in Lahti. Lahti is Finland.
Yeah, the basement is very strange here, like in staircase A.
That's really weird, yeah.
Yeah. Iskuttiin paikkivaisuttaa, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I'll get to mistakes to see and be as soon as possible.
That's